Good morning, Team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow.
We're back on the site. Today is day 2 and we are having another look at the unit, and the guys are up top working again, and we're going to look how things went from the last time. So we're picking up. So quick note, the engineer came and suggested certain things, so we're going to go back over certain things and talk about it, and I'm going to tell you what the engineer said and why, the do's and the don't, what I think about what the engineer said. And also quick note, please remember that not because we're doing construction a certain way mean you guys should also do it this particular way. It does not mean that. Please consult with your supervisor, your architect, your engineer, and do your thing. But look on my look at thing and say, yo, I say if you go right. Just use my thing for entertainment and a little bit of guide, but most for entertainment thing. Anyways, as I said, we're going back up and look on certain things. I never talked about certain things in my last video to tell you guys that the spacing of the jacks. The jack should be spaced of 3 feet apart. So we're going up top now. Hope you guys enjoyed the last vlog and stay tuned for another little video. And please, again guys, I'm gonna drink nothing from morning, you dig? So I'm gonna drink nothing from morning, so you guys can just buy me a coffee and support the channel, help support the channel. It's going good so far, really appreciate it. When you reach a certain point, man, say me can actually give some people some shout outs and etc. But for now, I just give thanks. Big up on yourself. We're going up top, so stay tuned. So yes, we're finally on top of the building, looking back at the reinforcement. As you can see, when they reach further than the last time we left off, to the conclusion from the engineers that this is said to be what type of slab? A one-way slab. So being a one-way slab, you know certain things about the one-way slab. For who knows one-way slab, it is supported by 2 beams because the load is transmitted in one direction, not 2 directions like the 2-way slab. So the 2 beams are of the shorter spans of the building, meaning in yourself where the main bars are. When doing a one-way slab, it causes you to have less reinforcement and you increase the thickness of the slab. Vice versa for the 2-way slab. This doesn't look like we're using less reinforcement. For example, the over support. Normally with the one-way slab, you come across with the main bars. The main bars go at the shortest span, and you connect them to the beam. This is used as a beam, the belt beam. So you connect them to the beam, crank it at L4, and crank it and hook it in the beam. As you can see, there's an over support over here, so which includes many different steels. So you have top and bottom instead of just cranking it. So I am not sure if the over support is that's why I say the over support is 5/8. The engineer is saying that in order for it to be ½ inch, it will be too close, and you know when you pour you need a certain cross section, so the concrete can go inside between the members, the reinforcement. So it will be too close, and use 5/8 for the spacing, 5/8 for the over support. Now the 5/8 and the 1/2 inch is of the same spacing. So I don't know why the 5/8 and the 1/2 inch is of the same spacing if the 1/2 inch cannot be used with the same spacing as for the over support as the the 5/8. However, again, I see it should be hooked from one side, cranked at L4, come across and hook again. So less steel as well, I say, and thick slab. This slab is a 8-inch slab, so they increase the thickness of the slab and did not decrease the number of bars. So still a whole lot of bars up here. Another thing is that let's see what I'm going. If you look, these are the members, the beam that the and the one over there, so would be the beams that the will be supporting the slab. So as you can see, they are not hooked inside the beam. They're not hooked inside the beam, and I don't know the reasoning behind that. Again, as we said, there are more than one ways to Rome. Our road leads to Rome, so we're not sure what going there, sir. Again, so another thing we did identify is splicing or lapping at the end of the support. You cannot lap at the end of the support. You should only lap beyond L4, which would line it somewhere in there. So because it's 40 by 16. 40 by 16, right? 17. 40 by 17. So in that case, the length divided by width is greater than or equal, but greater than 2. So that's why it's called a one-way slab. So it's that point there and that point there. What else did that say? But besides from that, I guess we can learn something new. Never too old to do that, though. What else are going? Oh, and another key thing when doing a one-way slab is you should not allow any splicing to be done in the middle of the support. And as you can see, you have splicing in the middle of the support. In here, so is where the load transmit in that direction and that direction. In here, so you have the bulking, the sagging. Okay? The opposite of sagging is hugging. So in here, so you have the sagging, so they normally don't want you to have any splicing in the middle of the support, and they do have it. And what else I can go about telling you guys? Yeah, but besides from that, it is what it is. As I said, then I crank it, and you guys know the cranking, or you come up with the cranking. By the way, you crank at 40 to 235 degree or 35 to 40 degree, and it is the span in here, so divided by 4 again. Forget the crank. I think I divided by 4 again. Forget how much I crank. So the spanner in there, so divided by 4, give you where you go cranky. Boop, 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 boop. So what me would I do? Maybe I think like all 5/8 still supposed to be in here, so. But however, you have to look upon it in different ways, because as I said, there are many ways to reach. Our road leads to Rome, and there are many ways to achieve the common goal. It's just you have to find out which one best. So you link your QS, and yes, you link with everybody to find out, say, alright, what works best and what will work out best, and you come up with a solution. So for now, it is what it is. Come down back. So for all those who understand what I'm saying or have an idea of what I'm saying, these are the intricate sometimes in construction, where some people don't really understand the fine details behind it, and why some people, yes, some people run to it with a fine teeth comb and others don't. Is because there's a lot more to it than what you guys think. There's a lot more to it than what you guys think, and them things are very easy to fail. And if you're building it right, we'll give you 50 years. Just a slight little change or the slight little incorrect precaution that you guys take will easily lose you 10 years. Again, yo, I'm alone there, sir. Day 2 of the vlog, and yesterday I got carried away with ending the vlog, so the vlog never ends. So that explains why I'm in a different clothing and a different have a different background. However, I address something I did say in a vlog in regards to the hooks I'm saying if I crank up the bars and hook down in the 2 supporting columns of the slab. It is correct in the way them do it when them run it straight across. That can work. But I say it have to crank and hook. You only can hook on the side where the wall end, where the beam end, and where the cantilever is. It goes straight down to the cantilever and wrap around and come in. I don't quite remember if that was there, but however, I just want to correct that. When I edit over this video, I realized I did say that, and I do a little further research because you don't know, and then I realized what I did I say wrong, so to correct that. Anyways, thanks for watching this vlog, team Ismash. See you in my next vlog. Today was a busy one. My hands them kill me, like with it up on the roof, on gazebo roof. I installed some T1, the felt, and some I think matic, the shingles thing, and that was it. The day I come to an end and I just finished. Anyways, thanks for watching this vlog. I'm gonna insert some photos of the roof, and you guys can just say, oh, good job or whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching this vlog. I'm going in. I'm currently at home. I'm going to sleep. My head will kill me. See you in my next vlog.